want to look at parallel lines in this video. So I've got a straight line with the equation y equals 3x plus 1. Now this autograph file will allow me to change the number 1 and turn it into different things. So I'm just going to change the c number or the y-intercept, but I'm going to keep the gradient the same. So this bit here will let me change it. So I'm going to change it to 1. So now I've got the equation y equals 3x plus 2. But the gradient is the same. Let me change it again to 3 and 4. Now every time I draw that, the gradient is always the same. It doesn't matter where it goes through the y-axis, whether it goes through 8 or 1. The gradients are the same. And this is the key point, that parallel lines have the same gradient. So when you have a problem such as this, or these two that I'm going to do here, the line L passes through 0, 5 and is parallel to this. Find the equation of L. Straight away I know that the line I'm looking for has a gradient of 2. So it's y equals mx plus c. And I can look at this and say, well, when x is 0, it passes through the y-axis at 5. So I can see from this one quite clearly that the equation I'm looking for is 2x plus 5. That's quite an easy one because of the point they gave me, but let's take it a step further. The line L passes through minus 4, minus 2. It's a different line, by the way, and is parallel to this. So first of all, because it's parallel, I'm going to say that my new line is 3x plus c. And here's a very important point with straight lines. I'm going to substitute this into my new line. This new line passes through here. The y coordinate is minus 2 and the x coordinate is minus 4. So that goes in as minus 4. Add c. So let's just see if we can work out what c is here. This is 3 times minus 4 is minus 12 plus c. I'm going to add 12 to both sides so that c is on its own. So this is minus 12 and I add 12 to give nothing. Add 12 to this side. Minus 2 add 12 is 10. So c is 10. So my equation is y equals 3x plus 10. So very quickly go through that again. Parallel lines have the same gradient. So I take my gradient and make it 3, the same as this one. Plus c, I use a point that I'm given to put the x number and the y number in, and I work out c.